11th question. If modulus of z1 is equal to 1, modulus of z2 equal to 2, modulus of z3 equal to 3 and modulus of 9 z1 z2 plus 4 z1 z3 plus z2 z3 is equal to 12, then the value of modulus of z1 plus z2 plus z3 is modulus of z square is nothing but z bar. We are going to use this property. Here modulus of z1 is equal to 1. So taking square on both sides, so modulus of z1 square is equal to 1 square. 1 square is 1. Use this property. Modulus of z square is equal to z bar. Modulus of z1 square is z1 bar is equal to 1. I want the value of z1 to substitute here. So z1 is equal to 1 divided by z1 bar. Bring this z1 bar to the right hand side. Next, modulus of z2 is equal to 2. Taking square on both sides, so modulus of z2 square is equal to 4. Modulus of z2 square can be written as z2 bar is equal to 4. I need the value of z2 to substitute here. So z2 is equal to 4 divided by z2 bar. Then finally modulus of z3 is equal to 3. Taking square on both sides, modulus of z3 square is equal to 9. Modulus of z3 square can be written as z3 bar is equal to 9. I want z3, so z3 is equal to 9 divided by z3 bar. So z1 is 1 divided by z1 bar, z2 is equal to 4 by z2 bar, z3 is equal to 9 by z3 bar. I want the value of modulus of z1 plus z2 plus z3. I'm going to substitute the values. So modulus of z1 is 1 by z1 bar plus z2 is 4 by z2 bar and z3 is 9 by z3 bar. So take the LCM. So my LCM is z1 bar and z2 bar, z3 bar. If I take LCM, so it becomes 1 into z2 bar, z3 bar plus 4 into z1 bar, z3 bar plus 9 into z1 bar, z2 bar. Here there is one property, that is here modulus of z1 plus z2 the whole bar can be written as modulus of z1 bar plus z2 bar. Here there are individual conjugates. I'm going to write the overall conjugate. So modulus of z2 z3 plus 4 z1 z3 plus 9 z1 z2 the whole conjugate divided by z1 bar, z2 bar, z3 bar. Now so take the modulus for numerator alone and denominator alone. So modulus of z2 z3 plus 4 z1 z3 plus 9 z1 z2 the whole bar divided by modulus of z1 bar, z2 bar, z3 bar. So modulus of z bar can be written as modulus of z. So this can be written as modulus of z2 z3 plus 4 z1 z3 plus 9 z1 z2 divided by, and modulus of z1 into z2 can be written as modulus of z1 into modulus of z2 So this can be written as modulus of z1 bar, modulus of z2 bar, modulus of z3 bar. I know the value of modulus of z2 z3 plus 4 into z1 z3 plus 9 into z1 z2. The value is given in the question. The value is 12 divided by using this property, modulus of z bar is equal to modulus of z. So by using this, I can write this as modulus of z1, modulus of z2 and modulus of z3. Here the values are given in the question, that is modulus of z1 is 1 and modulus of z2 is 2, modulus of z3 is 3. So if I simplify this, I'll get 12 divided by 6, that is 2. Answer is 2. My option 2 is correct.